Here is how to get to your Scratch assignment that you started yesterday. If you weren't here on Monday, the link to join my Scratch class is here. You use your Penfield username, your Penfield password, and just put your birth year, something to make yourself older than 16, so that way it's easier to recover your account if we need to. So we're going to click on classwork. You can click on Scratch. We are then going to click on the scratch.mit.edu. Okay, yours might look a little bit different because I'm a teacher, but for the most part, everything up top is the same. So if you want to finish your Animate Your Name, you can click on your username in the upper right hand corner, make sure you're logged in, and then click on My Stuff. All right, that brings you to what you were working on yesterday. If you don't know where, or you didn't get started yesterday, if you go to Ideas, see Tutorial Library, and then you scroll down, you should see Animate Your Name. Now I am going fast, but you can pause and rewind the video if you need to. So you're going to watch that, and you're going to do everything it tells you to do. If you're done with that, we are then going to create an actual game on Scratch. So I suggest that you find a tutorial on YouTube. So if I wanted to do a Scratch tutorial about ping pong, I can see here that I would click here and then I would watch how to make a Scratch game on ping pong. Okay? Probably really easy to do. You might need to challenge yourself a little bit more, but we'll see how it goes. Okay? So once you do that, if you click on Create, you click on Scratch, then you can create a new game on Scratch. Okay? Sorry, my computer's going really slow. Hopefully that helps, and hopefully one of your classmates or your sub can help you today.